Tired of dry skin and dull hair after every shower? Hard water leaving you itchy, irritated, and battling hair breakage? Unpleasant odors or weak water pressure ruining your daily routine? You deserve better from your shower experience. Introducing the MakeFit Dual Filtered Rain Shower Head Combo. Dual filtration removes chlorine, heavy metals, and impurities instantly. Enjoy healthier skin and shinier, stronger hair right at home. Choose between a luxurious rainfall or powerful handheld spray. Easily adjust height and angle for every family member's comfort. 10 customizable spray modes, including a relaxing spa-like mist. Switch between rainfall, handheld, or both with a simple knob. Before, dry, irritated skin and flat hair. After, soft, glowing results. No plumber needed, install in minutes, tool-free. Upgrade to MakeFit for a cleaner, more invigorating shower. Transform your bathroom routine. Your skin and hair will thank you. Order your MakeFit shower combo today and feel the difference.